What?
I didn't know that birds were able to regurgitate what they ate. This bird just regurgitated a whole blueberry. Just run away if you meet this kid in the street. He was so scared that he had no choice than to finally give it all. This puppy is really smarter than this puppy park manufacturer. This guy don't know how to dive, and despite that, he wanted to impress his friends, and finally he got his dose of the day.
Go Eva inside. 𝗬𝗓𝗞𝗘, push her a little bit. Put your face in. Așa, 𝗬𝗓𝗞𝗘, be gentle.
Sometimes we see people doing abnormal things, and we would like to get inside their heads to find out what is really wrong. This technique is quite practical for dent removal on cars. This lady wanting to fuel realized that she had parked the car a little further from the pump, and she had to move the car again.
No, she said it on the